Hello friends! Let's unbox a new toy! Magnetictoys! Let's box it! See how much I have! Gonna make everything! Buses, houses, everything I want. Look. Let's build everything. Let's go, friends. There are so many. Have some stickers of us, and we can make so much fun. We have jellyfish. We're gonna build a house. We need 6 of those. Let's make houses, another one. Let's make another house. Okay. Now I will build a bus with color characters, orange or purple. Maybe both. Let's build it. Two buses connect. Like that. When you like it, subscribe to my channel. We'll make a double-decker bus. Let's go. I love this one. We not can turn it around like this. We not, because it's too heavy and it fall boom. I'm trying to make some little stops. Thomas destroy everything. I make a house, boom, beep, boom. I built this big stuff, this little stuff. I built it, it's so big. This is the roof, these are the windows, and we have some little doors here. This purple one are the stairs to go up